Hey guys, welcome to another David Zimaleta. Right now we're underneath 2006 Mercedes Sprinter van. I got a problem with my rear differential. Okay, that's a way easier of a job. Guys, this is a seal from rear differential pinion that I pulled out. This is the seal that was sold to me. So obviously, here's the bearing in the race. This technically should seal it. Obviously, there's no way. This is just way smaller. So I'm not really sure what they're selling me at this parts store. Now we're messing with this rear pinion right here. So let me show you what's going on. You see, we have quite a bit of play there, and if you rotate it, look at that. Now I think in some cases this could be normal. In my case, the seal is bad, so we need to actually remove it. So let's go ahead and get started. We got a chisel. We need to chisel out this portion right here so we could actually get this loose. We will be needing a socket. The size, what's the size here? 32. So here we go. One thing for sure, there's not a lot of room over here. I wish there was a better way to do this because I keep hitting my hand. Okay, that might do the trick. So let's see if we could actually get this thing loose now. Man, we're getting some rock in here. But we do have the wheel things to keep it from actually rolling. That is a lot of play there. Let me see something. Now, it is not recommended to use an impact, but I will. Okay, that's a way easier of a job. So now the trick is we need to pull this out. Now you could attempt beating this out with a hammer, kind of like a little bit here, a little bit there, sort of like that. I do have the puller, so let me grab my puller. The space for the puller, it's actually there. There's a little rounded portion. I did not actually adjust the puller yet, so it's gonna be taking getting used to. best way to do it is just damage it over here and then just pry it out. There we go. Wow. I just broke my own prying tool. Guys, I did get bearing in the race, and I could tell that this bearings inside, they have as much play as this does, but I wonder if this is even the right one. It doesn't seem like they sold me the right one. There's no way that this is gonna go inside. That just will not work. They sold me wrong stuff. And this race, wrong one as well. Guys, this is a seal from rear differential pinion that I pulled out. This is the seal that was sold to me. Definitely wrong. So it looks like I need to return this. Let me show you the bearing in the race. So obviously, here's the bearing in the race. This technically should seal it. Obviously, there's no way. This is just way smaller. So I'm not really sure what they're selling me at this parts store that I got this from. This is definitely wrong stuff. I don't even know what this is for, to be honest with you. I'm gonna have to take this with me and see what we could come up with, I guess.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.